name's Simon Eeles. I am a fashion and portrait photographer working predominantly in Europe and North America. And I'm I studied in Melbourne, ex-PSC student. And these next 3 videos are to help you get through the end of COVID, unfortunately, the stage 4 lockdowns, but also for you to carry through maybe beyond this experience into your professional life. So the next 3 videos are going to contain, I want to do one on New York as an assistant for quite a prolific photographer, Craig McDean, and also New York as a practicing photographer, young, struggling photographer, and also about creating work when there is none in those situations when the phone's not ringing. And then that sort of, I suppose, is our little segue into another subject, another video of what to do in COVID. What to do, not necessarily in COVID, but what to do when there's nothing else to do. A lot of photography for me is about doing those 10,000 hours, I suppose, before you become prolific at something. And then also we're just going to look at, on the third installment, the third little video, I want to talk about and look at basics and fundamentals that you take on set. Looking at my camera system, I work on the Mia RZ with a phase back, IQ 260 and a P65, as well as also using more mainstream DSLRs like Nikon D810s and even sort of small point and shoots, and what they do for the image and how you can make them, and also I suppose, which is one of the an overarching theme is really putting I'd like to sort of really get you thinking about putting your own salt, there's a better word I'm sure, but getting your own accent, I suppose, on the work, and how no matter what format or no matter what situation that you can still manage to get through your point. So yeah, that's pretty exciting. Check out my work if you want, you don't need to. And then we're going to start, I'm going to send you the links and your lecturers the links for the next videos. And this is a complete open conversation, and I encourage you to, I suppose, comment in the YouTube video or however correspondence works like that. But yeah, cool. Let's not do the thumbs up as the end.